Saving with Shay. Did you see the title? We're going to CVS. So listen, if y'all saw my Walgreens video, y'all know that was a bit of a dud, you know, and I ain't gonna lie, I left Walgreens feeling a little butthurt. Like my ego was just like, I was just like, dang, it's like that. And so I really didn't know a whole lot about what I was doing in there, you know what I mean? I'm gonna get it, but I think for now we're just gonna keep things plain and simple over there at the Wags. However, we're here at CVS today. Y'all know CVS is my home. Like, that's my home. Like, me and CVS, we are homies. Like, homies, right? And so I said, you know what? I've been seeing this deal fly around, you know, Instagram. Even one of you guys hit me up on IG as well to let me know about it. And I was just like, look, let me go try this real quick. I got the digitals. We're going to see if we get some double digitals going on right here. And so that's kind of what I'm here for today. I also have the Well Market, I think is what it's called. CRT as well for $5. Now I did get that one last week, but for some reason it wouldn't scan for nothing that I tried. It wouldn't scan for. I did get another one this week that I'm gonna try out. What else? So we have two glitch deals plus the free snacky snack if it works out. And then I think I have 2 more. I think I might have 4 deals to share with y'all, but this is gonna be super duper quick. And so if you're new here, yes, if you are new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, I am Shay. Definitely subscribe. Also, make sure you smash like button and support your girl, and don't forget to make sure your post notifications are on as well, so you never on the videos. Without further ado, we're gonna head over to CVS. We're gonna see what kind of awesome deals we can grab today. If you want to check it out, you know, do keep on watching. I said that super duper fast, didn't I? Damn. Okay, guys. It's so funny. I went to the first store, the one that's closest to the house, and they only had one. I was like, okay, I guess we're gonna have to drive it a little bit if we want this deal. So it's on the Garnier Fructis. It is 2 for $8. It's also buy 2, get back 3. So with the app, there is 2 different $3 off of 2 digitals that are supposed to be glitching. So I hope it's still working for me. And so 2 for $8 minus the 6 would be 2. You'll pay 2, get back 3. Makes it $1 money maker on this deal. So the other deal is on the Shack. They are 2 for $14. The other store only had 1 women's left. It's 2 for $14, getting back 4. Let me check the men's. For the men's, I think they're almost tapped out. I believe that orange one should work. And I believe the 12-pack here should work. I'm thinking that these 2 down here should work as well. So I'm gonna probably grab 1 of the 3 packs and then that orange pack right there, because I don't really like these cheap ones right here. And so 2 for $14, and then for that we have 2 $5 off of 2 digitals, that one and that one. So you end up paying 4, getting back 4, so that should be free. So I'm gonna scan that one and see if it works, but I'm pretty sure that 4-pack works, and I'm pretty sure this one works. So even if that one doesn't work, I'll just grab 2 of those 2 there. So yeah. Okay, so the third thing that I'm gonna grab, oh, and really quick, I actually found 2 of the 4-packs. There was another one of the blue, so I'm gonna grab the blue and the orange. They're both 2 for $14. And so yeah, and I'd rather grab a 4 count than a 3 count, or even that 12 count. So this deal here is on the Dove deodorant spray. Looks like they only have a few left. Dang, I came just in time, y'all. So they're buy one get one 50% off, price at $10.79 for the first one. The second one is $5.39. So the total for both is going to come to $16.18. And then for the coupons, we have a 5 off of 15 digital, or CRT rather, and then we have this 5 off of 2, and we have this 2 off of 2. So that is going to be what, $5, $10, $12 minus $12. So we'll end up paying $4.18 out of pocket and getting back the 2, which would then make it $2.18 for 2 of them. are $109 each, which is definitely an awesome deal. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab 2 of those as well. So I'm gonna do the Crest deal. Now I did do this deal. I think it's been longer than a week though, so I'm hoping that I should be able to do it again. And so they are priced on sale for $3.99, and they're also buy 2 get back 5. So for this, grabbing 2 of them, and then there's a $2 digital right there that we're gonna use. This should bring our total down to $5.98, and then you're gonna get back the 5, making them like 49 cents. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab this deal as well. So the last thing that I'm gonna grab, now I got the $5 off of one Well Market product, but for some reason it wasn't working for me last week, and no matter what item I scanned, it wasn't working. So for this, I'm gonna grab the higher price one, the dark chocolate peanuts. They're priced at $5.49, and you'll use that $5 coupon. I already actually did it, and you'll pay 49 cents. Or if you want, you can grab the cheaper products, like they have like, you know, where are they at? Right here, they have like nuts that are $2.99. They have popcorn down here that you could grab as well. I should have got a bag of popcorn, but I kind of wanted to get the most out of my CRT. And so, yeah, so that's basically it for today. I'm going to head to the car and we're going to go over our receipts. All right, guys, listen. I was sitting here for like 15 minutes trying to let the car cool down because it's hot as heck. I got the AC going. I hope it's not too loud for y'all. It's supposed to be triple digits here in Victor Valley. And so your girl ain't trying to sit in her car and melt like a flipping Hershey Kisses. All right, so I just want to go over my receipts really quick because I'm not going to do nothing when I get home. But probably take another shower. And so, listen. Okay, so I thought that my Care Pass renewed today, the 2nd, but I guess it's the 3rd. So I didn't have that to go in with, and I really wanted to do deals today because I wasn't sure if they'd have anything in stock by tomorrow. And so I did have to break it up into 2 different transactions just to kind of help lower my out-of-pocket. So I started off with the Fructis. Now this one worked out perfectly, like 2 for $8. Both digitals did come off for me. I paid 2 and got back 3. So what I did with the 3 is I rolled it onto the razors. This one worked out perfect too, like 2 for $14. Both $5 digitals came off. I rolled the $3 from the Fructis. I paid $1 out of pocket and got back 4, right? And then I did the dub. The dub didn't work. It did not work. The 5 off of 2 digital didn't apply. And that's my fault for not even scanning to see if it was going to attach, because it didn't. Just the $2 one attached and the 5 off of 15 CRT. And so I was just like, oh no. It was supposed to cost $1. And so that means they would have ended up costing me about $3.50 each. So I had to return that because I was just like, oh no, we're not doing that. And so I returned that and got back the 4 that I had paid, which is right here. And then I did the Well Market. I got the peanuts. I should have got the cashews though, because I'm not a huge fan of peanuts, but they're dipped in chocolate, so like, how can you go wrong, right? And so these did work. It looks like all of the products are working now. I guess I could tell because when I went in there, they didn't have a lot on the shelf. And again, you can get anything you want. They have popcorn for $2.99, but I kind of wanted more value, and so that's why I grabbed these and only paid 50 cents out of pocket for this. So at the end of the day, what did I pay? What did I pay? That's what y'all want to know. What did I pay? I think everything that I got retailed $27. These 3 transactions ended up costing me $3.15 out of pocket, which is really awesome. And then I still walk away with $4 in extra care bucks. So at the end of the day, we still make 85 cents for all this, which is it's definitely not bad. I mean, it's not bad at all.
I got the chocolate, and I got shampoo, and I got razors, and I only paid 85 cents. How can you beat that?
So other than that, y'all, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to smash the like button on your way out the door. If you made it to the end of the video, I want to see anything pink in the comments, and I will see you guys in the next video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye guys.